Hello my student, how are you all? Are you fine? I hope you all are fine. See dear my student, see we are sending you video. Yes, right? We are sending you a video. So you have to watch the video. You have to see the video and you have to practice. As we all know, the situation, due to the situation we are not able to have our classes. Yes, you are not able to come school also, right? But we teachers are always there to help you to study at home. Okay, so whatever we are sending you, please practice at home. Revise this everything whatever we are teaching, you have to revise at home. Okay, take help of your mama. Your mom will send you a video, your mama will help you and you have to listen your mama. Whatever your mama will say you have to listen her, you have to obey her. Okay, then you have to study. Okay, so please do practice and study at home. Okay. Okay, now see, before starting my topic, I am going to ask you who I am. Do you know who I am? Can you say my name? Okay, tell me who I am. I am your teacher. Okay, I am your teacher, Indira ma'am. Okay, I am your teacher, Indira ma'am. Today, your Indira ma'am will teach you EVS subject. Which subject? EVS subject. Which subject? EVS subject. See, introduction of summer and rainy season. Do you know what do you mean by rainy season? Yes. Do you know what do you mean by rainy season? बारिश आई चम 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 लेकर छाता निकले हम. Okay, what do you mean by rainy season? बारिश. Okay, rain. I think you have one rhymes also, no? Yes, rain. We'll repeat this rhymes afterwards. First, let's start study this rainy season. Okay, this is rainy season. What do you mean by rain? Baris. Okay, rain means baris. Okay, and this is summer season. Which season? Summer season. Okay, rainy season. See, I'll make you see. This is a cloud. What is this? Cloud. See, and this is rain. See, this is called rainy season. This is rain. See, this is cloud. This is cloud and this is rain. Okay, rainy season. See, this is cloud and this is rain. Rainy season. This is cloud and this is rain. Okay, and see, summer season. See, in summer season you feel very hot because of sun. What is this? This is, see, what is this? What is this? What is this? This is sun. See, summer season. Summer season means sun. Okay, you will feel very hot in summer season. Okay, very hot. You will feel very hot in summer season. And this is rainy season. See, it's raining. Rainy season. See, it's raining. Rainy season. And this is summer season. Summer season means very hot. Summer season means will see a raindrops. This is rainy season and this is summer season. Please note down this one in your copy, notebook. The rainy season, cloud, and this is rain. And this is summer season means very hot. This is sun. Very hot. You feel very hot in summer season. Okay, this is sun. What is this? Sun. Which picture is this? Sun. And what is this? This is cloud and this is rain. This is rain. And do you know? See. Do you know what you use in rainy season? We use, what is this? What is this? Umbrella. See, this is rainy season. See, rain. Raining. This is raining. Rain, go away. Come on, day, another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, go away. See, this is raining. And this is umbrella. See, when it's rain, we use umbrella. When it's raining, we use umbrella. Rain, go away. Come on, day, another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, go away. Okay, see? Raining. And see? What do you use in rainy season? Umbrella. What do you use in rainy season? Umbrella. What do you use in rainy season? Umbrella. See, here also it's raining. This is cloud. It's raining. See, this is raining. Okay. What do you use in rainy season? Umbrella. What do you use in rainy season? Umbrella. And we use raincoat also. See, we use raincoat also. What is this? This is raincoat. What is this? This is raincoat. We use umbrella and raincoat in rainy season. See, it's raining. Yes. See, we use umbrella and raincoat in rainy season. See, it's raining. Rain, go away. Come on, day, another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, go away. Okay, see? Raining. Which season is this? Rainy season. Now it's rainy season is going on, no? Yes? You can see the drops of water. Baris, raining. Okay? This is called raining season. Which season is this? Rainy season. See, what you wear in rainy season? Raincoat and umbrella. What you use in rainy season? Umbrella and raincoat. What you use in rainy season? Umbrella and raincoat. What we use in rainy season? Umbrella and raincoat. See, this is rain. This is which season? Rainy season. Which season is this? use umbrella and raincoat. Umbrella and raincoat. What we use in rainy season? Umbrella and raincoat. Which season is this? Rainy season. Which season is this? Rainy season. Which season is this? Rainy season. And what do you use in rainy season? You have to repeat after me. What do you use in rainy season? Umbrella, raincoat. What do we use in rainy season? Umbrella and raincoat. And which season is this? Which season? You have to repeat after me. Which season? Rainy season. Which season is this? Rainy season. Okay, you see, you have books, no? So you just open the season books. Okay, you have to see the books and you have to identify the picture. Okay, there you can see so many different season. Your mama will ask you which season is this, then you have to answer rainy season. Okay, you have to see the picture in your book and mama will ask you which season is this, then you have to say rainy season. And what do you wear in rainy season? What do you use? Umbrella and raincoat. What do we use in rainy season? Umbrella and raincoat. Which season is this? Rainy season. Okay. Now next come summer season. What is this? This is sun. What is this? This is sun. Sun means very hot. Very hot. Okay. Sun gives us heat. Very hot. Okay. What is this? This is sun. What is this? This is sun. What is this? This is sun. And sun is very hot. Sun is very hot. Okay. So which season is this? This is summer season. Okay. Which season is this? Summer season. And see, do you know what do we use in summer season? Okay. Let's see the picture. Okay. See. See here. This is. What is this? What is this? This is sun. And what is this? This is cloud. And what is this drop? This is rain. And what is this? This is umbrella. You have to identify the picture also. Your mama can ask you, what is this? Then you have to reply, umbrella. What is this? This is raincoat. And what is this? This is cloud. And what is this? This is raindrops. Okay? So now what is this? Can you identify which picture is this? What is this? This is sun. What is this? Sun. Sun means which season? Summer season. Which season? If you see sun, that means it's a summer season. Very hot. Okay? Summer season. And do you know what we use in summer season? Okay, see. We use half pant. We used half pant. Okay, see. We wear half pant. Okay, we wear half pant because it's very hot. So we wear half pant. We wear hat. This is hat. See, we wear hat also. Girls are wearing hat. Yes, see. See, girls are wearing hat and then sunglass. This is sunglass. We are wearing sunglass also, right? Yes, we are wearing sunglass also. See, we are wearing sunglass also. We are we are eating ice cream also. We are eating ice cream also in summer season, very hot season. Yes, we eat ice cream also. See, we are eating ice cream also in very hot season. And see, in summer season we eat ice cream. We use fan also. You feel very hot, so we use this is fan. We use fan also. You feel very hot, so we use fan also, cooler also. Yes, see, this is called summer season. See, sun. What is this? Sun. What do we wear in summer season? We wear half pant, we wear hat, we wear sunglass. Okay, what do we wear in summer season? We wear half pant, we wear hat, we wear sunglass in summer season. And what do we use in rainy season? We use umbrella and raincoat. We use, what do we use in rainy season? Rainy season we use umbrella and raincoat. And what do we use in summer season? We use half pant, we use hat, we use sunglass. Okay, we use half pant, hat and sunglass in summer season. And you eat ice cream also, very tasty. We eat ice cream also. Yes, we eat ice cream in summer season, very hot season. Okay, and then we use fan also. This is fan. What is this? This is fan. This is called summer season. See, you have to identify the picture. What we use in summer season? We use half pant, we use hat, we use sunglass. Okay, and we eat ice cream also. See, we eat ice cream also, and we use fan. Okay, pankha, fan. Okay, and see, what do we use in rainy season? What do we use? We use umbrella and raincoat. What do we use in rainy season? We use umbrella and raincoat. Okay, now see, I'm going to ask you, you have to reply. Okay, now okay, tell me, which season is this? Which season? This is rainy season. Which season is this? This is rainy season. And now see, which season is this? This is summer season. Which season is this? This is summer season. And see, what do we use in rainy season? We use umbrella and raincoat. We use umbrella and raincoat. And what do you use in summer season? Half pant, hat and sunglass. Okay, and you eat ice cream also. Okay, you eat ice cream also. This you have to identify the picture. See, this picture is rainy season. Okay, this picture is rainy season, and this picture is summer season. Okay, this picture is summer season. Okay, now see. Okay, hands up, hands down. See, you have to note down this one in your notebook, and you have to practice. You have to identify the both two seasons. Okay, today we have learned two seasons, rainy and summer. Rainy and summer. Okay, please use your EVS book and see the season pictures. Okay, and you have to identify the pictures. See what we use. what we use in rainy season, what we use in summer season. Okay, you have to just oral and identify picture. Okay, your mama will ask you, what is this? This is umbrella. When do you use umbrella? You use umbrella in rainy season, in winter season, cold season? No. Then when do you use umbrella? We use in rainy season. Okay. Okay. Now see here. Let's do one rhymes. Okay. We'll do a rhymes of rainy season. Okay. So now everyone to hands up, hands down, up, down. Say, rain, rain, go away. Come on day, another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come on day, another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Okay, you have to revise this rain, rain rhymes also. Okay, so please do revise this one. Okay, I hope you all are studying also, right? So, and I will see your video. Okay, see, after studying you will send me your video so that I can know that you are studying. Okay, now, okay, now see, I will teach you one new things. Okay, we'll identify the colors. Okay, we'll identify the colors. Okay, so now tell me, which color is this? This is, which color is this? Red color. Yes, which color is this? This is red color. Which color is this? This is red color. And which color is this? This is yellow color. Yes, which color is this? This is yellow color. And which color is this? This is blue color. Which color is this? This is blue color. Which color is this? This is green color. Which color is this? This is green color. Which color is this? This is black color. Which color is this? This is black color. And which color is this? This is white color. Which color is this? This is white color. See, these all are color. Okay, these all are colors. See, we are having so many colors, but they have their own names. See, this is also white color is also a color, black is also a color, green is also a color, but they have their own names. Okay, they have their own colors. See, this is white color. Which color is this? This is white color. And this is which color? Black. Which color is this? This is black. And which color is this? This is green color. And which color is this? This is blue color. Which color is this? This is yellow color. Okay, which color is this? This is yellow color. And which color is this? This is red color. Okay, which color is this? This is red color. See, you have to identify the colors. This is white. Which color? White. And this is black. This is which color? Green. And this is which color? Blue. And this is which color? Yellow. And this is which color? This is red color. So we need to revise all these colors. Okay, and you have to study at home. Okay.